Yeah, hi, I'm Brandon Miller. I'm here to tell you a little bit about herbs in the garden and cooking with herbs and some things you might not know and things you might know. So anyway, this is my little herb garden here. I like to get it going and it's kind of taken its own path now. The oregano is kind of taken over here. That's what this is. This is oregano. I've got wild arugula here, also sage, some thyme, and some chives, and some other things like peas. So anyway, I just wanted to talk a little bit about herbs and what I use them for. So usually like arugula can be used as an herb or as lettuce. It's kind of spicy. This is a really good spicy one that I use. Also the oregano. The oregano is really good in bolognese sauce, any meat sauces, any even mixed with meatloaf, anything like that. Always a really good herb for breads and flatbreads and pizzas. The sage here is really good in pasta with butter. Kind of a sage brown butter is a very classical Italian sauce we use with ravioli quite often and other things. The chives, kind of a softer herb. Along with tarragon, and those are really good with eggs. Egg dishes like frittatas and the like.